Do you think Bawumia is competent enough?
He is very competent.
You think so?
Very, very competent. Now, Nana, you probably my vice president. Ghana. Look, I mean, he signs out. And you may be by the way. See you.
Mami Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana Sem TV GH so what frame Ajua searching. Ebusian for Ora Don Fe, economist. Na ebano economy hun se media papi. Odi marketing ye pa na okopie eyen kokroko djumedia. Rana na ya Kese e host this program no na enkomodidim e na na ya Kese e bisa Ora Don Fe say the media no reverend. Abo reverend no so bempa ne dinta abefa menu. Ora Don Fe. Uji di say eye vice president, former vice president Dr. Bawumia oye competent. A obetimi edi NPP enim abeji to me ama NPP anase Ghana woni mujidi so obetimi abaye president na Ghana fo ye ho atoye neno ena Owura Don Fe etrese yes indeed vice president Dr. Bawumia oye competent and kasa believe him or not oye competent na obetimi so ebu Ghana member na Ghana fo na ye ni age na 2024 abato na ye koye no and yes, Ghana kwa ena ye friend say NPP fooding kukua emu eyede amama isu bebre mu din kuku because inflation amama fo esu bi recorded no ebi ensi da ebu 45 years ebi ensi da ebu 20 years ebi ensi da but due to COVID-19 you know high inflation equals wo we ase afane ina ena Ghana so high inflation na ye recorded no e ka ho enti na Ghana eye dinsa na yese bia NPP for omo ye incompetent a omo ntimi embu omine ye nto ne de in his wisdom no he thinks say vice president Dr. Bawumia eye more competent yinti nsema ode etuya amu nyame bo amu ma mokọ weni a mo campaign say na mo de be kono because me I can debate the best economists in this world. Met me at debating a country as at the end of Ghana 2022. No, it wasn't because of Bawumia's incompetence. I've said it on this platform and almost everywhere that I go. A baby, I would say, Yamon Pai, say, and Yama AC or Israel ni Iran terminal. And could richly. It could richly fango and up. I'm saying no pain. We could hear and do 79.9. It could do 121. Nana Kufa the breast could do Yena. Petro Boba yet dinner papa.
Do you think Bawumia is competent enough?
He is very competent.
You think so?
Very, very competent. Now, Nana, you probably my vice president. Ghana. Look, I mean, he signs out. And you may be by the way. Seriously. If I were economist, who say, me economist. So I say, Nana, I did could be crap, Papa, me pen as sempa. You say, who's a me the pa? A trouble am a kebi mao.
Casa de opeba unye de.
A trouble am a kebi mao. A trouble son of my kebieti awomo. Nana baby mohana menya message say, yes, a memra. And I went to Jubilee because of him to meet this man. Na me call you know, na ye ni Ghana nkomo. Oh George, ye 30 say what can say. Hey, Nana, I was shocked. That humility. And the way or no who said me sumi wa ideas be a metimi dia boa we engage me no nana member o ma mi nsuo kra no me ka twem next time mo frame a mo pension nana me be from me ka ho na member no I'm say hey amado bad ma and a certain vice president invite me to his office nana manage pa na enye sabe eno so enti ne bi a me ka say and some see ye no se na ya hwe ne bi kosi na say over $400 million Tembia na BDCs you could do that situation now. We are there. CD will have problem.
Mate, emfa de aka ni chef.
CD enya problem nana. Let's say BDCs for so kokoton 121. Oba petrol on timi fa meje 1 liter on timi fa meje less than 20 cedis. So what I say? Eti ekobasa aso pe adroba fo nya betoto omuniemam. Omututu ma me ma me amado e fa banche from them to the chimentia or the fa taxi until obedu attachment ya no na ba chene bo kosoro ebema bibia bo akosoro. You can't do anything about this. Only 2 out of every 100 pet nene ye am NDC for. Let's just say Usha MPP for 15 out of every 100 MPP for Kotra Bama NDC no. Now only 2 out of every 100 nana to aba. Na am MPP for krano baby a omunya sa nipa no. Ya no omuye am NDC for omuye so omo to aba ma MPP no. Na ye significant in only 3 regions. No east. Baby you Bawumia free no. Oti region any voter. Inti NDC for no be ha. Umbe se omu vote so omunya no 2020 no. Voter region omo de compare the omunya no 20 yina answer that anko anymore bia. And so still MPP voter omunya just 8%. Ho no ubehun say MPP for no o man to abakra voter regions so MPP for
omo ho de
ya omo ho pa o say omunya 14% drawing na Akufo-Addo town enti o man to abakra na aba no o man to. In fact regions are not Oman Traba Pan, Ekoye voter region, Greater Accra, Central, Western North, Bono, and Ahafo regions. A Honda na MPP from don't know what Oman Traba. So, 80 and on a cofa in Chodi no baya. I think that the difference is about 1.5 million, eh? Na and on this are in Chono baya. Na sa in Chono baya no. Say NDC for your money, your money, you remember win so overwhelmingly because it was a protest NDC MPP for no fee. In fact, 5 million kromanya 4 years earlier, over 6.7 million. Now almost I could try baby no makunya I think 4.
So maso say for instance about what can say in 2020 na Akufo-Addo nya 14% in voter region and as say wabenya 8 o check it 2020 election na okra a little over 6 million and as say onam over 4 million and me man so say candidate no MPP didn't call 2020 na ne ho akono se 2024 de no
minti me no de me need data be a kyeresa but ade ba ko a e bia ye hwe ne se ka se de be ye so a ofa Dr. Bawumia the unya na wo hwe ne parliamentary candidates na enka senka presidential candidate na no mo mpena anka at least se no mo about 137 seats and I drop it to 80 something
88
yeah 88 enti se you fast akwa no so ka se e bia candidate no mo de ko na Ghana for mpena anka in fact anka what about the parliamentary candidates?
Say no baby omo mpebi omo tutia.
David na nya no no kwasam this Ghana obi a otie me bia ntie say from the year 2022 to date no over 66 ruling governments have lost elections. Nana British omu parties one of the oldest conservative. Yeah, akaka kabina enya 200 years. Omu worst ever performance in elections was last year July. Worst ever. I'm edientra. Uko yuka adia nanka 2020 before 2022 no. Adia na beton £1. Ene ukuta be £5 ansa na de wato. Nana nansia March April na mo I'm Ireland. Me koye adwuma kakra e wo of the University College of Ireland.
Uko ba no abeka kire.
Yebeko. Na me koye adwuma kakra wo I'm University of Ireland Dublin. I'm University College Dublin. I'm Ireland. Na menu na me pese me hu so almost so bi ka o man. I say yes. Adia na nke ton €1 ene ubenya na 5. Economic hardship no it was global. Tina na nze bi na me chechem say October 2023 IMF World Bank they invited me to their meeting. Now over 191 countries na ebesia on outstanding economists in the world. Ebekasa asema 2 years 2022 no. Since the Great Depression of 1930s, ebin see that. Enti you call US Trump nanya pen na omu peno. But na Joe Biden the political party no and nam say no ma register the highest inflation in 40 years into no no mo honya dey enye akono oko France omo president Macron the boy and say omo system